Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, July 14, 2023. Yesterday was another strong day for the markets. We gapped up and continued higher, triggering an overbought reading on the 2-day RSI. So we're going to take a look at what has happened historically when that triggers going into a Friday session. Let me go ahead and get this set up using all four instruments. Our setup based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently the overnight session is trading higher. I'm going to go to the opening filters, gap direction, click on gap up. Looks like we just tested just shy of yesterday's high there, had not quite gone above it. So I'll just use gap up here. I was going to look at above prior high, but we're not quite there. So you can do that on your own if you'd like. The next thing that I want to do is go into the indicators library, and I'm going to grab the overbought reading here. Day after 2-day RSI is greater than 95. That's been added. The next thing I want to do is put us above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average, which we closed above yesterday. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the calendar library. I'm going to say today is Friday. Let me hit equals right there next to Friday. It's been added. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping up on a Friday following an overbought reading on the 2-day RSI in a bull market. Historically, we have 56 samples here in the S&P, 60 in the NASDAQ, 65 and the Dow, 46 and the Russell. If we take a look at the win rates here, you'll see S&P coming in at 46%, closing above the opening print. For the NASDAQ, that's 53%. For the Dow, 45%. For the Russell, 46%. If we look at the average moves, average move on the downside, just a touch larger than the average move on the upside for the S&P. Average move to the downside, larger here in the NASDAQ. For the Dow, it is the average move to the upside, which is larger, and that's also the case for the Russell. So we're split 2 and 2 on the average moves, in which one is bigger. And then if we look at the win rates, you'll see 3 of the 4 are slightly weak, not the weakest I've ever seen, but just slightly weak here, around 45, 46%. NASDAQ is the only one that is favored at 53%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.